Every time I open Zepto, I see so many healthy drinks. Zero sugar, zero calorie, protein packed. Now, are these actually healthy or is it just good marketing? Hi guys, I'm Ashi Adani and in today's video we're going to be trying some of these healthy drinks from Zepto to see if they're actually healthy and actually taste good or not. We're going to be judging them on 3 parameters. First is the nutritional value, second is artificial sweeteners or actual sugar, and third being the ingredients used. So by the end of this video you should kind of know which ones to go for. I'm starting with this brand called Pluck. So they do a lot of fresh fruit juices. They have partner farms. They're saying it's clean, it's nourishing. I personally love fresh fruit juices, but like just to hear that it's only sugar when you drink it, there's no nutritional value, I feel bad. I've stopped drinking juices, but I'm a huge fan. This is the Alfonso mango, so I'm hoping this tastes like Russ. It's 52 calories, there's 0.3 grams of protein, sugar is around 10.5 grams, which is a bit much. Let's try it. It tastes like Russ. Acha hai, it tastes fresh, it tastes sweet. It doesn't taste healthy at all. Like if that's what you're expecting, it'll taste different. It doesn't taste bad at all. The ingredients seem pretty clean, so that's great. The sugar, even though they are saying natural sugar, it's still sugar. And nutritionally, it's like saying some vitamins, negligible. So overall, this is better than packet juices, but still not great for weight loss. I would give this a 7 on 10. Next, we are gonna go for the Raw Pressery Protein Milkshake. When I started blogging 10 years ago, Raw was also starting out at that time, and I was one of the first few people they actually sent their juices to try out. तभी भी मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे थे. But since then, I have their tender coconut sometimes, but like I've not had Raw in a very, very long time. I also didn't know they did protein. So this is their 18 grams of protein milkshake with 27% calcium, cold coffee, dietary fiber. It's using sterilized skimmed flavored milk. I don't know what that means. It has 170 calories, which is fine because you're getting so much protein. 15.21 grams of sugar, which is a lot. And they're very high on the calcium factor. So, also this costs 103 rupees, which is a bit much. It tastes really good. It's like sweet, like chocolate type sweet, but then it has that bitter kick that coffee gives you, which I really, really like. I don't like super sweet things. This is actually really, really yummy. It doesn't taste like I'm drinking a packaged coffee which has been out for a couple of days. It doesn't taste like that. Like if you know what I mean, certain packaged coffees taste like they're packaged coffees. This is good. And like as a protein shake every day, I don't know how cost effective this would be. If you're out somewhere and you want to order something, I think this is a great alternative for that. So coming to this, the ingredients are processed but they are functional. Sugars are controlled, I would say. Nutrition, this actually does have protein, so this is a drink that is actually working for you, and it's not just ke, oh, low calorie ke liye maine kuch pee liya kind of a thing. Obviously this is not something I would recommend on a daily basis, also because nothing packaged I would recommend on a daily basis, but for a once in a while, like I mentioned, it is great if you're in a protein deficit and you're like, no, I need something right now and I'm out. 100% 8 on 10. Next, we've got Paper Boat Zero Calorie. Now, this is something that they are doing in multiple flavors and variants. I picked the peach one. It literally says no sugar, no calories, zero sparkling peach. At this point, I'm a little confused as to whether I used to drink Paper Boat or Raw Pressery. I'm thinking now that it was Raw Pressery only, but I'm not too sure. What? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This story that I narrated was for either one of these products. It has been 10 years, guys. Forgive me, please.
Okay.
Not one bit of sugar, no aspartame. That's great. They do have sweeteners though, and it is 0 calories. So let's go. Oh my, this tastes so good. Something I will give to like the newer healthy products, but they are doing it in a good way. Like earlier I used to drink protein aankh band karke, but now the protein shakes that I'm having are so yummy that I actually want to have them, which is like something like this. Great, tastes amazing, actually good. Would I replace my water with this? No, but if you're someone who hates water and you keep drinking sodas and beverages all day, this is a better alternative for you. Coming to the ratings, ingredients seem pretty minimal, which is okay. It doesn't have sugars, but it does have sweeteners. Nutritional value, there is none. If you like something sweet and sparkling and like an aerated beverage, this is a good alternative. I would give this a 6.5 on 10. Next, I've got a very interesting one. This is called the Three Sisters Super Cola powered by dates. There's no added sugar, just sweetened by dates. Contains real date syrup. No artificial sweeteners. Delicious cola fizz. This is also about 90 rupees per can. It has 44 calories, 11 grams of sugar, no protein, nothing. It has water, natural date extract, acidity regulators, caffeine, and I don't know how I feel about this honestly, because first it says powered by dates, then it says date syrup, and then it says date extract. So little sus branding. Let's go. I'm really scared of cans, by the way. Like I will open my can, but I'm just okay. Also, I've never had anything from this brand before, so I'm a little scared. बहुत ही गंदा है. It doesn't taste like cola. Neither does it taste sweet. Neither does it taste sour or what did I just have? This is really bad. Really bad. It doesn't taste. It tastes like a very watered down cola. And there is no sweetness to it. Like I was expecting something sweet because there's so much dates involved. It doesn't taste like cola. I don't like it at all. So coming to this, sugar, there is none, but I'm a little sus about the sweeteners in it. Ingredients, I mean cleaner than cola, but not that much better. And nutritional value, again very very minimal. It's a great alternative to like if you're a Coke drinker, but I wouldn't like, I'd rather just drink the Coke than taste this in my mouth again. 2 on 10. Next is the Zyro Energy Drink by Karan Aujla. मैंने ये पहले भी पिया हुआ है for a YouTube short when this had initially launched, and I don't like this flavor, but the other flavor that I like was sold out, so I had to bring this. I'm not being a meanie for no reason. दूसरा available नहीं था. I don't like this flavor. पहले से बोल रही हूँ. Now this one is in the shade Blue Bolt. It has 0 sugar, 0 calories, 250 ml for 90 rupees. Again, I think that is like become an average price now. It has a very wide ingredient list for something that is supposed to be 0 cal. Like other people just have like 2 lines. It doesn't have sugar. It doesn't say sugar, but it says this caffeinated beverage contains an admixture of steviol, glycoside, and sucralose. Actually, don't mind it that much now. I feel like compared to the cranberry one, this tastes like shit, but on its own, it's tolerable. Tolerable. Wouldn't give it more than tolerable. I don't like this flavor. Coming to this, sugars, there are none, but there is artificial sweeteners. Ingredients, it has caffeine and other stimulants. Nutritional value, none really, except that it will boost your energy because it has caffeine and other things like that. I'm a little confused about this one. Like again, this is not a healthy drink. This is not giving you anything except energy. So maybe this could be an alternative to Red Bull if you're like a Red Bull drinker, or if you're someone who likes a lot of sweet coffee and your Starbucks coffee ka calories are only like some 400-500 calories like a meal, then this is a great alternative for that. On its own, if I'm someone who doesn't drink anything, like I don't have coffee, I don't have anything like to boost my energy, then I would not have this because this is not a health drink, but it is not bad for you either. So I'm gonna give this a good 7.5 out of 10, but get the cranberry flavor. That's all I'd say. I feel like so far the only thing I've understood is that none of these are healthy drinks except the protein coffee that we had. Nothing was healthy, it is just healthier alternatives to things that you already drink, like your sodas and aerated drinks and stuff like that. And कोक भी अभी मैं कोक जीरो ही पीती हूँ, so like ठीक है वो. And how much coke are you actually drinking is also very very important, because if you're having it once in a while, completely fine. If you're having it every single day or you need something crisp to go with your meals, then you need to consider all this nonsense. If you're having something once in a while, guys, it's fine. Just live your life. You're here to live. You're here for a good time, not a long time. Next, we've got the Bombay Banta Masala Shikanji. It has 45% less sugar than what? I don't know, doesn't say. 61 calories per packet, 6 grams sugar. It has like magnesium, potassium, B3, B5, biotin and all also. So is this supposed to be good for my hair? Is it good for my hair? I don't know, let's see. This tastes quite nice. It's like a Nimbu Pani vibe. Honestly, the only time I've had Shikanji, because it's not a Mumbai concept, I've had it in Delhi, outside Sarojini, inside Sarojini Nagar, almost at the exit of Sarojini Nagar, and that slapped. Like, that really slapped, and this doesn't slap as much as that one because this is Bombay Banta. If it was Delhi Banta, maybe it would slap harder, but it's okay. It costs 30 rupees, which is great. It is quite refreshing. I wish it was a little more cold. It is quite cold, but agar thoda aur thanda hota, then I would feel more refreshed. So sugar, there's low sugar and it's artificial sweeteners. Ingredients are also pretty simple and clean, seemingly so. Nutritional value, it just has some electrolytes to like boost you. I think I would give this an 8 on 10, because if you feel like aerated drinks are too heavy for you and you want something light that is a good refreshing option, this is a great one. And last, we have my favorite ocean flavored water. मैं ये college में बहुत पीती थी. I don't know, it was just a phase where I used to just have ocean water all the time on me, and it was like a little crazy time in my life. But I don't remember, like one fine day I just stopped drinking it. So this feels like a very big blast from the past, as if I met my ex or something like that. And this is in the flavor strawberry and lime. I know this tastes good. I know this is gonna slap. It has electrolytes, it has vitamins, it has fruit flavors for taste. 42 calories per 100 ml. 10 grams of added sugar, magnesium, potassium, B3, B5, B7, like काफी है, मतलब there is stuff in it. Let's try it. I feel like an addict who is seeing something जो बहुत मेहनत से छूटा है. So if I have one sip and I go back to becoming an ocean girl, you guys are paying for it. You guys are paying for it. Why does it feel so good? So good to be bad. So good. क्यों पीना बंद किया मैंने? याद नहीं मुझे, but I feel like I'm 16 again. Okay, so it has simple ingredients. Nutritional value is a bit high because they have a bunch of like other things going on. Sugar is also quite high, which is not good for you. This is an alternative to water. It does nothing else for you. So 5 on 10, but it tastes so good and it's very very addictive. So don't have it. I feel like it was quite fun and I feel very energized. I think it's a concoction of all these drinks. Like I've gotten like very hyped up. I need to cool down. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment below and let me know which of these drinks you would like to try out. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.